So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that AB is perpendicular to OP. So you can see that this line AB and this line OP both are perpendicular. This is 90-degree angle, and circle ORS and APB are concentric circles. So this circle and this inner circle both are concentric circle, and AB length is given as 24 centimeter and OP length is given as 6 centimeter. So we have to find the area of the blue region. So this is our problem. We have to find the area of this blue region. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see uh, in this figure, you see this circle and this circle. So we can easily write that the blue area is the area of the circle ARB minus area of the circle ORS. So ARB is this circle A, R and B. So this circle, and ORS is this circle. So if we subtract the area of both of these circles, we get the this blue region. Like the ARB circle has this full area, and this ORS circle has this area. So if you subtract both of these, you get the blue region area. So this is our strategy. So in this way, we are going to find the area of the blue region. So for that, what we need, for calculating the bigger circle area, we need the radius of this circle, and for calculating the smaller circle area, we need radius of this circle. So let's assume the smaller circle radius is small r, like this circle radius is small r, like this ORS. So this OR is the diameter, which is equal to 2r, and this bigger circle radius is capital R, like this circle radius is capital R. So the blue area will come like pi times capital R square minus pi times small r square. So this is the blue area. Now you see in the problem it is given that OP is equal to 6 centimeter. Now you see this circle and this circle both are concentric circle. So let's say this is center. So if OP is 6 centimeter, this RQ is also 6 centimeter, because both are symmetric and both are concentric circle, and O is the midpoint here, and this OA length is equal to this OB length. Because of symmetry we can easily say that, and this AB length is 24. Because of that, this is 12 and this is 12. So these two lengths are also equal to 12. And now you see uh, you see we have this circle and this circle. So this bigger circle and this circle. So there are two codes. One code is the AB code and one code is the PQ code, and both are intersecting at the point O. So we can write like by the code theorem, this OP length multiplied by OQ length is equal to OA length multiplied by OB length, and OP length we know it is 6, but OQ length we don't know, and OA and OB length we also know. So OQ length is come as 24 centimeter. So this OQ length is coming as 24 centimeter, and this this length is the 2 times r, which is the diameter of this smaller circle, and this length we know as 6 centimeter. So you can write OR as OQ minus RQ. So OR is the 2 times diameter of the 2 times r, which is the diameter of the smaller circle, and it is equal to 24 minus 6, which is 18. So from here you can calculate the radius of the small circle, and it is 9 centimeter after solving. So now we know the diameter of this as 18 centimeter, 2r, which is 2 times 9, which is 18 centimeter. So now we know the small r value. The remaining is the capital R, which is the radius of this circle. So now you again see this circle and this circle. So now you see these two circles. So this is the one code which is TR, and this is the another code which is AB. So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that AB is perpendicular to OP. So this AB line is perpendicular to this OP line, and circle ORS and APB are concentric circle, and circle ORS is this circle, and APB is this circle, like this circle, and both are concentric circle. That means they have the same center, like this point, and AB length is 24 centimeter and OP length is 6 centimeter. So this length is 24 centimeter and this length is 6 centimeters. So we have to find the area of the blue region. So this is our problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see, like we have this circle and this circle, but we have one more circle like this circle. So this circle area, let's say this is the radius of this circle is capital R. So this circle area is pi times capital R square. And we have this small circle, let's say its radius is small r. So this area is pi times small r square. Now you see, if we subtract this area minus this area, like pi times capital R square is this whole area, and pi times small r square is this area. So if you subtract pi times capital R square minus pi times small r square, you get this blue region. So this is our strategy. So now for calculating the blue area, we need capital R and small r value. So let's see how we can find that. So you see this figure. The strategy is the blue area is equal to pi times capital R square minus pi times small r square, where small r is the radius of this circle and capital R is the radius of this circle. And we need to find this capital R and small r value. Now you see in the figure it is given that this OP is 6 centimeter. So this OP is 6 centimeter. So this RQ is also 6 centimeter, because you see this circle and this circle are concentric circle. Let's say this is the center of both the circle, and you see upper is 6, so lower is also 6 because of symmetry. So this is 6, and this is also 6, and this is also 6, and O is the center, and this is 12 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter, because AB whole has 24 centimeter. So because of symmetry, both are equal to 12 centimeter, half half. Now you see, now you see this bigger circle. So in this bigger circle, there are two codes. One code is this bigger PQ code, and one code is this AB code. So these code are intersecting at the point O. So we can apply the code theorem, like intersecting code theorem. So what that theorem says, like this OP length and this OQ length product is equal to this OA length product multiplied by OB length product. So OP length is 6 centimeter and OQ length we don't know. OA and OB both are 12. So from here we can find the OQ length as 24 centimeter. Now you know this OQ, and this is 6 centimeter, and this is the diameter of smaller circle, which is 2r. So you can write like 2r plus 6 is equal to 24. So from here you can find the smaller value, which is come as 9 centimeter. Now we know the smaller value. Now you see this circle. Previously we seen this circle. Now in this circle there are two chords. One is the TR and one is again AB. And these are also intersecting at the point O. So you can write by chord theorem like OR multiplied by OT is equal to OA times OB. OR value, you know, it is the diameter of the smaller circle, which is 18. OT value you don't know, and OA and OB you know. So from here OT will come as 8 centimeter. So OT will come as 8 centimeter. Now you know this OT also and this OR also. So 8 plus 18, so this total is 26. This total is 26, which is the diameter of this circle. Like this circle radius is capital R, so this circle diameter is 2 times R. So this 26 is equal to this 2 times capital R. And from here you can get the capital R value as 13 centimeter. Now we know both the small r and capital R, so we can easily find this blue area. So this is the this region we have to find out the area of this. So this is simply pi times capital R square minus pi times small r square. So 13 square is 169 and 9 square is 81. So after subtracting it will come as 88 pi centimeter square. So in this way we can solve this.